In this video, I'll show you how to make a resume in Canva. First, open your web browser. Go to Canva. In the search bar, type resume. Press Enter. Browse the available resume templates. Choose a template you like. Click the template to open it. Replace the sample name with your own name. Update your contact information. Add your professional summary. Enter your work experience. Add your education details. Include your skills and certifications. Edit the fonts, colors, and layout if you want. Review your resume for any mistakes. When your resume is ready, click Share. Select Download. Choose PDF Standard as the file type. Click Download. Wait for Canva to generate your resume. Open File Explorer. Go to the Downloads folder. Your resume will be saved there. That's it. This is how you can make a resume in Canva. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.